The smartest entrepreneurs making 6 to 7 figures online are one-person business machines who use Claude Code to do 90% of their work. So in this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to use Claude Code to find a winning AI business idea, build an irresistible offer, build an MVP and high-converting website to sell it, handle marketing for you, and help you close 5-figure deals. One person, no team, no agency, just you and Claude Code running the entire operation.
How is this possible?
Let me show you. Now, as an ex-big tech software engineer turned AI entrepreneur, I built apps that got $200,000 offers, scaled 150 plus AI businesses, and I spend most of my time building, shipping, and showing other people how to do the same. I've been using Claude Code since it launched, and I'm not exaggerating when I say it's the most powerful tool in my stack right now for all of my AI businesses. Even my content stuff, like these YouTube videos right here, I use Claude Code to help with ideation, planning, scripting, even the thumbnails. See, Claude Code is a full-on junior level engineer. Like you're giving it a go and it plans, reasons, writes files, runs commands, reads your whole code base, iterates on its own. It's like AI Superman. And according to Anthropic, Claude Code can autonomously handle full software development tasks end to end. And based on my experience, and this dashboard I created right here is very true. Developers using it in production are shipping 30 to 50% faster, and for a solo founder, that's the entire unfair advantage right there. But the tragedy is that most people only use Claude Code to build the MVP of their app. But I'm going to show you how to use it for everything. Okay, everyone wants $1 million idea. Everyone thinks about it all wrong. You are one of those people. You say,
I don't know what to build.
Is this an idea people would even buy? So instead of taking any action, you get analysis paralysis. Months pass by with no progress. Here's how to use Claude Code to fix that. You use its research and reasoning abilities to do the ideation for you. Let me show you. I open Claude Code and I give it a structured prompt. Something like, you are a product researcher, scrape the top 50 product hunt launches from the last 30 days, analyze a problem each product solves, identify patterns in the pain points, and give me the top 5 underserved opportunities ranked by market size and buildability for a solo developer. Buildability, what a funny word. Claude Code will then browse, read, synthesize, and hand me a ranked list of ideas with reasoning. See, Claude isn't like ChatGPT, which gives me a generic list. This is a full-on agentic system doing real research in real time. But here's how I take it even one step further. I take the top idea and I say, now find me 5 Reddit communities where this pain point is discussed. Pull the most upvoted posts complaining about this problem, summarize the language people use to describe the frustration, and this prompt right here gives me a full-on market research debrief and the exact words my customers use to describe their own problem. That's literal marketing gold, and I'll show you how to turn this gold into profits when we discuss marketing later in the video. Now, before committing to an idea, I ask Claude Code to search for competitors, analyze their pricing, look at the reviews on G2 or Trustpilot, and tell me the top 3 complaints users have about the existing solutions. Whatever the complaints are, that gap right there, that's my product. The whole ideation phase used to take me weeks, finding that gap, doing the market research. But now it's a 2-hour Claude Code session and I walk out with a validated idea, competitive analysis, and customer language all from one tool. All right, now that you've got your idea, let's actually build. And look, I completely vibe code my apps now. I'm a software engineer who's been coding for over 10 plus years, and I still let Claude Code do the heavy lifting. It's just faster, and for an MVP, speed is everything. All we care about is getting out there to the market, getting some feedback, and iterating on any of the changes needed. With all that being said, here's the thing most people don't realize about Claude Code. You're not limited to one agent doing one task at a time. Claude Code supports agent teams, basically a bunch of sub-agents working together to do a task, and this is where it actually gets very insane. Imagine you're building a complex app and there are multiple tracks of work happening simultaneously. You've got the backend API, the database schema, the front end UI, the authentication layer, the third-party integrations. Normally, even with AI coding tools, you tackle these one by one. With Claude Code sub-agents, you spin up parallel agents that each handle a specific slice of the build concurrently. One sub-agent is building your API endpoints, another is setting up your database models, another is scaffolding the front end. They all work simultaneously, they share context, and they report back to the main agent, which orchestrates everything. It's like when a senior level engineer is telling the junior level engineers to do everything, while a senior level engineer just drinks on coffee. They ask why I quit corporate. And I'm not the only one taking advantage of this. 2 of my 170 entrepreneurs that I work with one-on-one to help scale their one-person AI businesses are building a chef app right now for a client I brought to them. And both of them are software engineers, but they're using Claude Code to build the entire app. They're using sub-agents very, very nicely. In fact, one sub-agent is handling all the back-end routes and business logic. Another sub-agent is handling the database and schema migrations. And another sub-agent is building the UI components in parallel, while the main agent is reviewing all the work that each sub-agent is completing and is stitching everything together. So these two software engineers who are working on this app are more managers than they are actually engineers for this. And here's the MVP they currently have built in just a matter of days. It's pretty solid if you ask me. So if you don't know how to code, you don't have the funds to hire a developer team, and you are completely on your own, you can still build any app that you want. Before you move on to marketing, which is where most people fail at, possibly you as well, here are the best building practices when using Claude Code. Before you start any session, drop in a short product brief, 2 paragraphs, what the app does, who it is for, the tech stack, and what you're building today. Make sure that's all covered. That alone would double the quality of everything Claude Code ends up producing. And also stay in sprints, give it one clear task per session, build authentication flow, connect to this API, add a dashboard that shows X. Don't throw the whole app, the entire prompt, all at it at once. Do everything sprint by sprint and the thing comes together faster. If you do everything sprint by sprint, the overall app comes together faster. Okay, now comes marketing. Pay attention because this is where it gets genuinely ridiculous. Most people finish their build and then go, okay,
now I had to figure out marketing and let's go ahead and do it.
That's the wrong order. You start marketing before you finish building. The moment you start coding, the moment you put your first prompt into Claude Code, you better post about it. On X, on LinkedIn, on Instagram, show your build process. Tease what your product is going to be doing. Build the audience before the product is even ready.
Wait. Taste, you said Claude Code do the marketing for me.
I know, keep listening. I am about to review my 4-step Claude Code pipeline that I use to create content at scale. Step 1. I prepare a Google Doc with all of the written X posts, LinkedIn posts, YouTube video scripts that have performed well for my social medias. I pass this all into Claude Code as a knowledge base. Then I give Claude Code a voice memo or a quick bullet list of everything that I've been building or learning that week. Step 3. Claude Code takes all my updates, writes 3 different X posts in my voice, a LinkedIn post, and a short form script for an Instagram reel or YouTube short. And finally, once I approve these written posts and scripts, I have Claude Code auto post these on the respective platform using Potato API. And for the video content, well, I have to manually record these videos, nothing to do about that as of right now. Maybe in the future, Claude Code can make AI avatars of myself and just use that to record videos of me. I'm even using Claude Code to create AI thumbnails for me, and some of them perform really well. I mean, look at this one. It's not too shabby at all. Now for written marketing. If you're building a B2B tool, Claude Code can also run your outreach pipeline. Give it your ICP, your offer, and your tone, and it will draft personalized outreach DMs for LinkedIn, cold email sequences, and follow-up messages. You can review these messages, these emails, approve them, and boom, Claude Code will go ahead and send them. This is all very important because marketing is what takes a great app from $0 to $10,000 MRR. And now you don't have to choose between building and marketing because Claude Code can handle both. Do one sub-agent for marketing and one sub-agent for building. Okay, so now you've got clients coming in, the marketing is working, you got eyeballs on your product, and people are interested. This is where most technical people completely fumble. A potential client says, send me a proposal, and suddenly the developer who can build anything in a week with Claude Code takes 2 weeks to write a 2-page document. This used to be my old proposals that I would spend weeks on, and this is my new style proposals that I have Claude Code write in like 2 minutes. And these proposals are fully customized, client-facing, and they look amazing. Now to have a proposal like this, here's my exact process you can copy. Before I write a proposal, I use a transcript of my sales call with the client and pass it into Claude. I then tell Claude to draft a proposal to a solution that hits all of the client's pain points. This is a $2,000 software proposal I sent to a client recently. Completely one-shot prompted this with Claude. The proposal it generates is specific. It speaks their language. It references the actual business. It doesn't sound like a template. It sounds like I spent a week studying their company. But this right here, like 2 minutes, easy. Now compare your proposal to the person who spent 2 days agonizing over how to word the scope of work for this project the client is asking you to build. You're moving faster than that person, you're closing faster, and your proposal quality is honestly higher because Claude Code doesn't get emotional or second guess itself the way we do when we're trying to impress a client.
Well, Ritesh, you're so experienced in this, but what about us who aren't as much?
And just so you understand the importance of a good proposal, one of my mentees in my Agent Rise program, Gleb, sold a end-to-end automation for $5,000. He then got a follow-up project with the same client for $22,000. His proposals were all incredibly unique and tight. And what was the reason he was able to get these follow-up deals with the same exact client? Well, his proposals were very well thought out. Every proposal he sends, he runs through his exact Claude Code research and write process first that we just talked about in this video. The clients read the proposal and they say that this guy actually understands our business. And they're right, because Claude Code did the analysis. It knows a business like the back of your hand. Abdul, another mentee of mine, is charging $50 to $100 an hour on straightforward builds because his outreach and proposals are so targeted that clients don't even push back on their rate because they feel like everything is so customized to them. Another example, my student Shubham closed a $20,000 deal for an AI system that was projected to take 3 months to finish. He built it in 3 weeks using Claude Code. Like if you want hands-on help building this entire system we're talking about with Claude Code, the workflow, the sub-agent setup, the content pipeline, the proposal process, that is literally what my mentorship Agent Rise is built around. I work directly with you and I help you land paying clients guaranteed. Link is in description. Now, at this point, you're almost ready to start a one-person AI business with Claude Code. But here's the last part, the very important part that most people get wrong, the routine. This is how a typical Claude Code day should look like. Morning, you open Claude Code, you run a sub-agent research session on your target market, what's trending, what problems are being complained about Reddit and Twitter, any new competitor moves. Mid-morning, you go into build mode, sprint-based, one task at a time, sub-agents handling parallel tracks if the build is complex. Afternoon, you have your content pipeline running. Claude Code takes your build nodes, your readmes, and turns them into posts, a short form script, and a thumbnail brief. Total time on your end, maybe 20 minutes of reviewing and approving all the short form and written content it makes. By evening, you got an interested prospect. Claude Code researches them, writes a proposal, builds up pricing tiers. You review it, you send the email to them, boom, done. Now you wait for that sales call to come in. That entire pipeline right there was 1 day's worth of work. And if you do that for 7 days straight, you can expect some change. And that right there is an entire one-person business operating like a multi-person business, all because of Claude Code. And this is why Sam Altman said a one-person billion-dollar company is coming. But actions speak louder than words. So if you want to see me use Claude Code to build an AI solution worth multiple 5 figures, watch this video next.